Hey, you. Yes, you. The one who writes business emails every single day and still feels nervous before hitting send. The one who types a sentence, deletes it, types it again, and wonders, does this sound professional enough? Does this sound too old-fashioned? Will my boss or client think I'm not smart enough? I see you, and I am here to tell you that feeling stops today. Because here is the truth. Most people are still using the same tired, outdated phrases in their business emails that were written in the 1990s. Phrases like, please find attached, or as per my last email, or kindly revert at the earliest. These phrases do not just sound old. They actually make your email feel cold, robotic, and sometimes even rude without you even knowing it. So ask yourself this. What if just a few small changes to your email language could make you sound more confident, more professional, and more modern? What if the right phrases could actually get you faster replies, better results, and more respect at work? That is exactly what today's lesson is about. Welcome, my friend. I am so happy you are here. Today, I am going to teach you 10 smart phrases for business emails, and I am going to show you exactly what old phrases to stop using and what powerful new phrases to replace them with. Every single phrase you learn today is used by real professionals in real companies around the world. These are not textbook phrases. These are living, breathing, modern English phrases that work. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident writing emails in English. You will stop second-guessing yourself, and you will start getting the results you want. Faster replies, clearer communication, and a stronger professional image. Are you ready? Let us begin. Phrase 1. Old phrase. Please find attached. New smart phrase. I have attached the document for your reference. Now, why is please find attached outdated? Because it sounds like an old office memo from 30 years ago. It is grammatically a little strange, too. You are telling someone to find something as if it is hidden. Modern English speakers do not say that anymore. Instead, say, I have attached the document for your reference. This is clear. It is warm. It tells the person exactly what you have done and why. Let me give you a full example. Old version. Please find attached the report. New version. I have attached the quarterly report for your reference. Please let me know if you need any additional information. See the difference? The new version is direct, polite, and professional. It also opens the door for conversation, which is very important in business communication. Pronunciation tip. Say it slowly and clearly. I have attached the document for your reference. Repeat after me. I have attached the document for your reference. One more time. I have attached the document for your reference. You are doing great. Let us move on. Phrase 2. Old phrase, kindly revert at the earliest. New smart phrase, I look forward to hearing from you. Oh, this one. This phrase, kindly revert at the earliest, is so common in South Asian business English, and I say this with so much love because I understand where it comes from. But in international business English, this phrase sounds unusual. Revert in modern English means to go back to a previous state, not to reply. And at the earliest sounds slightly demanding. The phrase professionals actually use is, I look forward to hearing from you. It is warm, it is polite, it creates a positive expectation without pressure. You can also say, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Or, do not hesitate to contact me if you need anything further. Full example, old version, kindly revert at the earliest with your decision. New version, I look forward to hearing from you. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Repeat after me. I look forward to hearing from you. Again, I look forward to hearing from you. Phrase 3. Old phrase, as per my last email. New smart phrase, as I mentioned earlier, or to follow up on my previous email. Now, I have to be honest with you. As per my last email has become a very famous phrase on the internet, and not for good reasons. When people receive this phrase, they often feel like they are being scolded, like the sender is saying, did you even read what I wrote? Even if that is not your intention, the phrase carries a slightly passive-aggressive feeling. So instead, use to follow up on my previous email, or as I mentioned in my last message. These phrases say the same thing, but in a much warmer, more professional tone. Full example, old version. As per my last email, the deadline is Friday. New version. To follow up on my previous email, I wanted to confirm that the deadline is this Friday. Please let me know if you have any concerns. See how much more professional and respectful that sounds? You are not blaming. You are helping. That is the mindset of modern business communication. Repeat after me. To follow up on my previous email. Again, to follow up on my previous email. Phrase 4. Old phrase, please do the needful. New smart phrase, please take the necessary action, or could you please handle this? Please do the needful is another phrase that is widely used in certain regions, but is not commonly understood in international business English. It is vague. It does not tell the person what you actually need them to do. Modern business English is clear and specific. Instead of saying, do the needful, tell the person exactly what action you need. For example, could you please review the document and send your feedback by Thursday? Or please take the necessary steps to process the payment. Or simply, could you please handle this at your earliest convenience? Full example, old version, please do the needful and send the invoice. New version, could you please send the invoice to our accounts team by end of day today? I would really appreciate it. Notice that I also added, I would really appreciate it. This is a powerful small phrase that makes your email sound warm and human. Repeat after me. Could you please take the necessary action? Again, could you please take the necessary action? Phrase 5. Old phrase, I am writing to inform you that. New smart phrase, start directly with your point. This is one of the most common mistakes in business emails. People write long, slow introductions before they get to the point. I am writing to inform you that is a phrase that adds no value. The person already knows you are writing to them. It is an email. Modern professionals get to the point immediately. They respect the reader's time. Instead of, I am writing to inform you that the meeting has been rescheduled. Say, the meeting has been rescheduled to Thursday at 2 p.m. Or if you want a soft opening, you can say, I wanted to let you know that the meeting has been rescheduled to Thursday at 2 p.m. Short, clear, respectful of time. Let me give you a few more direct openings. I am reaching out because this is a warm, natural way to start. Just a quick update. Great for informal professional emails. I wanted to share some exciting news. Perfect when you have good news. Repeat after me. I wanted to let you know that. Again, I wanted to let you know that. Phrase 6. Old phrase, hope this email finds you well. New smart phrase, a genuine, specific opener. Now, hope this email finds you well is not terrible. It is polite, but it has become so overused that it feels empty. People read it and think nothing. It does not create any real connection. Instead, try something more genuine and specific. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope your week is going well. Thank you for your time on our call yesterday. It was really helpful. Or if you want to skip the opener and go straight to business, that is completely fine too. Modern professionals often do this, especially in fast-paced environments. If you still want a warm opener, my personal favorite is, I hope you are doing well. It is simple, sincere, and still professional. Full example, old version. Hope this email finds you well. I am writing to inform you that. New version. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to share a quick update about our project timeline. Repeat after me. I hope you are doing well. Again, I hope you are doing well. Phrase 7. Old phrase. Please revert back. New smart phrase. Please let me know, or please reply at your convenience. 2 problems with please revert back. First, as I mentioned earlier, revert does not mean reply in standard international English. Second, revert back is redundant. Back is already included in the meaning of revert, so you are doubling up. Simply say, please let me know your thoughts, or please reply when you get a chance, or I would love to hear your feedback on this. These phrases are clear, modern, and kind. Full example, old version, please revert back with your approval. New version, please let me know if you approve this by end of week. I am happy to answer any questions. Repeat after me. Please let me know your thoughts. Again, Please let me know your thoughts. Phrase 8. Old phrase. Attached herewith, please find. New smart phrase. I have included, or you will find the attachment below. Attached herewith, please find sounds like it belongs in a legal document from 1850. No modern professional writes this. It is stiff, old, and confusing. Use these instead. I have included the proposal in this email. You will find the report attached to this message. The file is attached. Please review when you get a chance. Full example. Old version. Attached herewith, please find the contract for your perusal. New version. I have attached the contract for your review. Please let me know if you would like to discuss any of the terms. See how much clearer and more human that sounds? Repeat after me. I have attached the file for your review. Again. I have attached the file for your review. Phrase 9. Old phrase, as discussed on the phone. New smart phrase, as we discussed or following our conversation. As discussed on the phone is not terrible, but it sounds slightly clunky. A more polished and natural phrase is as we discussed or following our conversation. You can say, following our conversation this morning, I wanted to send over the details we talked about. As we discussed, the project deadline has been moved to the 15th. Per our conversation earlier, and yes, per is absolutely fine in this context, here are the next steps. Full example, old version. As discussed on the phone, please send the documents. New version. Following our conversation this morning, I am sharing the documents we talked about. Please review and let me know if everything looks good. Much more professional. Much more connected. Repeat after me. Following our conversation. Again. Following our conversation. Phrase 10. Old phrase, thanking you or thanking you in anticipation. New smart phrase, thank you or thank you in advance. This last one is so important. Thanking you is grammatically incorrect as a standalone phrase. It is a dangling participle. It is not a complete sentence. And thanking you in anticipation is a very old-fashioned way to express gratitude before someone has done something for you. The correct, modern, and natural phrase is simply thank you or thank you in advance. You can also say, thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate your time. Thank you in advance for handling this. Full example, old version, thanking you in anticipation of your kind cooperation. New version, thank you in advance for your help with this. I truly appreciate it. Simple, warm, perfect. Repeat after me. Thank you in advance. Again, thank you in advance. Now let us do a quick practice section together. I want you to say these phrases out loud. Do not be shy. Say them clearly and with confidence. Ready? Repeat after me. I have attached the document for your reference. I look forward to hearing from you. To follow up on my previous email, could you please take the necessary action? I wanted to let you know that. I hope you are doing well. Please let me know your thoughts. I have attached the file for your review. Following our conversation. Thank you in advance. Say them again, faster this time. I have attached the document for your reference. I look forward to hearing from you. To follow up on my previous email, could you please take the necessary action? I wanted to let you know that. I hope you are doing well. Please let me know your thoughts. I have attached the file for your review. Following our conversation. Thank you in advance. You are doing so well. I am genuinely proud of you. Now let me give you a real-life mini email using all of these phrases together. Listen carefully. Subject, project update, action required. Hi, Sarah. I hope you are doing well. Following our conversation on Monday, I wanted to let you know that the project timeline has been updated. I have attached the revised schedule for your review. Could you please take the necessary action and confirm the new deadline with your team by Thursday? Please let me know your thoughts and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you in advance for your help with this. Best regards, Priya. That email is professional. It is warm, it is clear, and every single phrase in it is modern and globally appropriate. That is the power of what you learned today. Now, I want to speak directly to your confidence for just one moment. I know that writing in English, especially for business, can feel scary. I know that fear of making mistakes can stop you from sending an important email, from speaking up in a meeting, from reaching for the opportunities you deserve. But here is what I need you to understand. The people who get better at English are not the ones who never make mistakes. They are the ones who keep going. They are the ones who practice even when it is uncomfortable. They are the ones who replace one old phrase with one new phrase every single day. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. And you are already doing that because you are here right now, learning and growing. Every great professional started exactly where you are. Every fluent English speaker had a moment when they were just beginning. The only difference between where you are and where you want to be is time, practice, and the right guidance. You have the practice. I am your guidance. Time is on your side. Keep going. You are closer than you think. Let us do a quick summary of everything we covered today. Phrase 1, replace. Please find attached with, I have attached the document for your reference. Phrase 2, replace kindly revert at the earliest with, I look forward to hearing from you. Phrase 3, replace, as per my last email, with, to follow up on my previous email. Phrase 4, replace, please do the needful with, could you please take the necessary action? Phrase 5, replace, I am writing to inform you that with a direct, clear opening sentence. Phrase 6, replace, hope this email finds you well with a genuine, specific opener. Phrase 7, replace. Please revert back with, please let me know your thoughts. Phrase 8, replace attached herewith, please find with, I have attached the file for your review. Phrase 9, replace as discussed on the phone with following our conversation. Phrase 10, replace, thanking you in anticipation with thank you in advance, 10 phrases, 10 upgrades, 10 steps closer to the professional communicator you are becoming. Before you go, I have one challenge for you. Pick just one email you need to write this week, just one, and use at least 3 of the phrases you learned today. That is all. 3 phrases. That is your homework, and it is going to change the way people respond to you. Then come back and tell me in the comments, which phrase was your favorite? Which one surprised you the most? I read every comment, and I love hearing from you. If this lesson helped you, and I truly believe it did, please give it a like right now. It takes 1 second, and it means the world to me. It also helps other learners around the world find this lesson, which means more people getting the confidence they deserve. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now. Hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. I post new English lessons regularly, and every single one is designed to help you communicate better, feel more confident, and reach your goals faster. You are not just learning English. You are building your future. And I am so honored to be part of that journey with you. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your time is now.